Hello. Ah! Talking at a normal volume and then yelling! These guys. Where's the jar?
Hello.
Cicadas.
Eddie has told us no information on what we're doing with these
Don't worry
cicadas.
about it, guys. We're gonna get some cicadas. I got the bee hat on.
What are you doing? There's one right here?
Yeah, sure, whatever. I'll take it.
Oh, two!
Oh, all right, that's disgusting. Also, try and get the softer ones if you can.
Softer?
Yeah, I want the softer ones.
I can't tell.
You got a bug on your hand there. Just kidding. Get him in there.
In the jar.
In and out.
Punishment. Two?
2 for 1 special,
Two
bro.
for one special.
Man, this is gonna be like a siren in here. This thing is really just cutting my ear off. Now, why would you do that?
How do I know they're young?
Well, when
Yeah,
they look
they-
soft.
they-
Listen to that jar, man.
Eddie,
them.
can you tell us what we're doing with these cicadas?
What?
Can you tell us what we're doing with these cicadas?
This one is in horrible
He's
agony.
freaking out. Oh, there's one. He just came to you.
Nice.
We're on your balls. Oh, damn.
Oh,
He was a sneaky little bugger. Get him in there, quick.
Get in there. Join your brother.
Yeah, we got a little pile of them, huh?
yeah, it's almost like you should tell us what we're doing with them now.
Nah, this is fine. We need more.
They're just coming to me, man. Eddie, it's okay.
I forgot I got the bee
You
hat
have
on.
a bee hat
One's
on.
over there.
Hey, you.
Ah! I'm scared of them for no reason. They can't even do anything. Come here.
Oh, that's a really young one, Jack.
Oh, I bet
There's
he's
so much
squishy.
cicada piss on me right now. It's immaculate.
Dude, look at this jar. It's getting all
Right.
moist.
I'm like,
Man, Jake's over there talking to himself, man. You're gonna interrupt the audio's gonna be weird.
it's just, I was talking about how much piss I have on me. Eddie, I think we've gotten them all.
You think this is enough?
Eddie, I don't
Can
know
you take the
what
one
we're
off my
doing.
hat here? Can you get the one off the hat? Oh.
They do like a collective piss, and they all piss at once. Yeah, like, get this.
Give this shit. Give this shit.
It's a giant cicada.
Oh my god, look at these.
Wow. This bit is over. I hate that bit.
No, I think we should have a cicada execution squad.
What are we doing right now?
That's a good point, actually.
I like the idea of creating like a YouTube video every 17 years. We come out here and we just collect cicadas all summer.
They're just one piece. It's disgusting. And I can't even look up. You gotta like look down. Can you hold that real quick? Thanks, bro. You know, we should go in public and ask somebody to hold our jar.
You guys are gonna be weirded out by this, man.
Oh no, this is gonna be gross, isn't it? Oh, that's disgusting. Hold on, Taylor, come here. You are a disgusting human. Get him in there. Oh my god, they do not want to go in. Jake added like half the mass just now. I hate that I can feel this like moving around if you hold it. Jake's way too good at this, man. What do you do in your free time?
What do you think?
Mother!
Cicadas, I'm sorry, it's for content.
Anytime I try to make a YouTube video with everybody, it always fails. I've tried 3 and none of them have come through.
Give him a
How
pull.
many is enough?
Dude, don't roll them around.
I like rolling them around.
This video is gonna get
Demonetized?
demonetized.
It's okay, I'm not monetized anyway. It's not my problem yet. There's no audio over there, Taylor. Taylor.
The content is south of you.
There's no audio over there. You don't have audio. Okay. It's okay, you know, we can just,
It's okay, man.
we can have conversations over here.
Should I give him some tree to climb on?
Oh yeah, make them feel real at home here.
Oh, there's so many. Holy crap! Give me the camera.
Pictures.
Look at them all. Oh my god.
Idiot.
I'm in the den.
They're
I'm
always
in the
fast.
den, boys. This is dude perfect.
Oh wow. Cicada throw.
Cicada trick shot. Oh shit. Okay, hold on.
Hit my balls. I think they just sit there and they say it over and over again every time they try. Oh man.
Can I come down? Yeah, I'm coming down.
Fuck this. There he goes. What are you doing?
Dude, I just wanted to get closer to the pool.
Just get in the water.
Oh, that's pool.
Yeah, we can get in the pool now. I gotta put these in the freezer.
They peed on me a lot, man.
Listen.
It's 3/4.
Cicada MR.
They sound like a fax machine. Fuck.
Taylor, hold my hand. No, man. Eddie?
What are
Hey.
you doing with those cicadas, huh?
Putting, you know,
Eddie?
in there. I think this is where they are supposed to be.
Hey, this is animal cruelty.
What are you talking about?
Eddie.
Eddie,
What?
cicadas are people too.
No, they aren't. Sauce man. Where's the sauce? My ears. Okay. Saucepan. Back into the depths. Smells nice down here. This is so gross. Oh god, I hate that. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, that's horrendous. You hear that? I heard it. Oh, it's bouncing around in there. I had a sick sunburn the other day. Oh yeah, isn't that great? We're gonna make spicy popcorn cicadas. Now we're supposed to just get rid of all those little extra pieces they don't need. This is terrible. Those extra pieces being their wings and legs. Oh no. Oh, I hate this. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna throw up. Oh, it's getting squishy. It's already drying. Or it's already defrosting. This feels like a crime about me. Okay, I yanked his head off. That's cool. That's fine. Get a couple more out here. Have a listen. I'll turn it up real loud for you. I'm sure you can hear every little sound I make. I'm just happy I don't have to listen to it right now. It's really far away from my head. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, great. Ugh. I gotta clean these bad boys up a little bit, because you never know where cicadas could have been. Now, arguably the worst part is over. Now I gotta just basically drown them in Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Let's get in there. Okay. Get in there. Yeah, that's probably fine. Worcestershire sauce. There's nothing I hate more than this. God, well, I bet if it was spiders, I might hate that more. But this is terrible. This is horrendous. I recommend everyone does this to themselves. Cover it up. Ah! Oh God, I forgot how much Worcestershire sauce there is. I'm spilling it now. We refrigerate in the fridge where it's cold for an hour. for 1 hours. Let's go. Stay there. I never want to see you again. I need 1/4 a cup, all-purpose flour. It's close enough. Now I need 1/4 a teaspoon of garlic powder, which isn't a real measurement, but okay. That's probably too much. Great. And 1/4 a teaspoon of onion powder. Still not a real measurement. Maybe. I need a little bit of salt. I don't know. Probably that's good. Then a little bit of cayenne pepper as well. I actually just need 1 big egg, and this is a ginormous egg. My God, actually, this is... that filled up like the whole little tiny bowl there. I'll whisk that egg up with my spoon. Same thing as a whisk. Wonderful. In case you can't tell what's going on here quite yet, we're going to dip a cicada in here, batter it up in there, and I'm going to fry it. Next, we're going to do a little spice mixture we're going to put on top of the hot cicadas. I got some ground cumin here. I also found my proper measuring spoons, so that's good. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Then you got 1/4 a teaspoon fine sea salt. Then another 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Then get yourself a nice saucepan. Put enough oil in there to get like, an inch or so up the sides. I'm really bad at determining measurements, but that's fine though. You can use canola oil or you can use veggie oil. The time is nigh. Ugh, they're even uglier than they were before. That's terrible. And impressive. Okay. And I just drop them out here. Make them a little less Worcestershire-y. With the juice and everything. Yeah. They're pretty dry. Pretty great. This is good. Let's do it. On the cute plate. Dip. Make sure there's not too, okay, it's slippery. Make sure there's not too much. Just cover him up. Shake off any excess. And then transfer him to a plate. I think I did a terrible job. Dip. Coat. That was a good one. I'm actually starving right now. Like, it definitely has nothing to do with these little guys. But I think I just haven't eaten all day. And this is what I'm making myself. Beautiful. The best way to do this is try not to use your fingertips as much as you would think you would. So just take one, drop it in there, get it in there, then you grab it with your fingertips, shake it off, Make sure you don't have any goop left on it. Then you just drop it in here and just cover it up. And then once it's all the way covered, you take it out, roll it like this. It's all just some shrimp, guys. While you're rolling your cicadas up, start heating your oil up to about 350 degrees if you have a way to measure that. I guess it's time to pop these boys in. Feels pretty warm. That'll do it, I guess. 6 at a time, they say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, some of them just kind of immediately started floating to the top. I might have done this wrong. Smells nice. Yeah, I'd say those are probably light golden. Alright, so as soon as I take them out, I'm supposed to sprinkle some of the sauce on them. Or some of the spice. Ugh. That's one. Nice. Well, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. Cicadas. I'm trying to come up with something to say to avoid eating them for longer, but I mean, like, here we are. Oh my God. It's good. Like yummy. It's like, oh, it wasn't as crispy. It wasn't as good. But it's yummy. I guess I shouldn't be surprised. It's just like, it's just fried. Anything fried is good. That one's really good. I guess the test is going to be this one here. It's missing some pieces there. It's just good. This is weird. I would eat these. Like, if they were at a restaurant, I would really, for real, buy them and eat them. Wow, that's weird. Apparently, even the like the younger ones, the younger cicadas taste even better. Just keeping that in mind. Not for any reason. I'm eating all of them. I'm sure, yeah. I'll make some more later. If these were bad, I was gonna make like a punishment type thing, you know? Like every time I said a curse word during the day, I would just eat one. But I mean, these are yummy. So that would be like, I mean, this should be a reward system, you know? Look, the inside, it's like, it looks like a crab. For those of you Marylanders out there, it's just good. You know, before when I was making this video, I was like, you know, I'll just kill some cicadas and make the world a slightly better place. But these are some yummy looking little fellas, you know. You see them? See them in those trees there? You can hear them. Yep. All right, well, there you have it. Figured out how to cook some cicadas and eat them and not even feel that bad about it because they were good. I'm gonna go feed it to all my friends now. Have a good day. Nice and warm, a little squishy, not crunchy anymore.
No.
Yeah, a little squishy, Ian. Don't worry, man. Here, eat one off the birthday plate.
We'll go with the little one first, just because.
Eat it.
Ooh.
Yeah, they're nice and squishy now. Eat the rest, Ian.
Oh.
Eat the rest.
It's like paper.
Paper?
Like, I guess because the inside's so squishy and the outside's like kind of crunchy still.
Interesting.
It's like a papery.
Paper.
I don't want to look at. There's like black. I don't want to look at it.
There's actual cicada in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But all in all, taste not bad.
Delicious.
If it was fresh, probably would enjoy it a little bit more. Like
Yeah,
I
they're
said
very
before,
crunchy.
it's like a old French fry. But all in all, taste is not bad.
Eat more. Which is good. That's it.
Like a fried vegetable.
Just fried veggie.
That's not, I think of it.
It's not bad.
It's okay.
Delish.
7 out of 10.
I'm not down.
Eat the cicada. I already ate a bunch.
Am I feeling bold?
Yeah,
It's not that bad. It's just okay.
it's pretty yummy.
Gross.
Eat it. Chew it. Come on, there you go.
Just like a peanut.
A peanut?
Yeah.
There you go. You like it?
Not very much, no.